Hi everyone, this is Sheryl Anand from Botswana, and I recently completed my A-levels and I'm currently studying web design and development in Canada since last year, that is August 2022. And I got an opportunity to be part of Mastermind group where we were studying about the 15 invaluable laws of growth by John C. Maxwell, which was facilitated by Maxwell Leadership certified team member Mr. Balan Swaminathan. I generally enjoyed reading the 15 invaluable laws of growth and discussing it in our sessions because it helped me see situations in a different light. It helped me have the mindset of a learner rather than a victim. And it also helped me stop comparing myself to others, but also to pick up the good qualities that other people have and to apply it in my life. And I am generally a perfectionist. Anything that I put my hand to, I want it perfect. Like I want absolutely no mistakes. And in a way that is bad because it is very difficult for me to accept setbacks or failures, and when that does happen, I usually overthink about it for a couple of days. I'll be drowning in negativity. But after learning from Mastermind, from those invaluable laws of growth, I realized that sometimes it's okay to make mistakes, it's okay to have failures, because that is the way we can learn, grow, and most importantly, we shouldn't repeat those mistakes again. So a little bit more about myself. I lived in Botswana. It's a country near South Africa, and I've been there basically my whole life, 19, almost 20 years, and I've grown up there. So all my childhood, my teenage, everything is there. And last year I moved to Canada for my further studies, and that was the first time that I was away from home. And I'm an only child, so I moved on my own, and I faced a lot of new challenges moving to a new country, making new friends, new church, new culture, new environment. Everything's new, and that too to face it on my own. But each of those challenges taught me a valuable lesson, and although I was thrown out of my comfort zone, it equipped me for the best. And this course, this program really helped me stay positive minded, so I'm really thankful to this session for that. And in general, I really loved and enjoyed all the sessions we had because there were different types of experiences that every individual brought, and they were very relatable to me. And the best part of it was the interaction with a trusted group of people. And I highly recommend attending this course as it helped me grow as a person. It helped me recognize the places that I needed to rectify in my life and where I needed to mold myself to become better. I'm definitely sure this will benefit you too. Please give it a try. Thank you.